American Flyer. You went. Hi, I'm Brian. You're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Collinsville, Illinois, at a train show. Let's go check it out. Oh, they're gonna steal that guy's cow. Not if he has the best of it. Oh, a school bus.
So you found that piece, but you would still have to have all that. And he's actually loading that on the other side. You're going to run out of barrels in there.
Whoa, I'm so tempted. Check this one out. We got some ice skaters. Cool trolley. Now look at the carousel. In the brewery. That's awesome. Oh, look inside. That's just cool. We're in the kiddie section. I like the old stuff. Oh, check out the airplane. That's cool. Guess what time of year it is? I'll give you one guess. Have you figured it out yet? Let's give you a little taste of what's going on around here.
That's an expensive tractor still in the box. You can have that tractor.
That's pretty cool.
It's way too much. It's out of your price. It's out of your budget. You know, smash your budget.
Should I pick up a tractor? It's a 1957 Nomad. Lionel, 1882. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is for the Lions. That might be an interesting read. Must be a Christmas train. This is kind of a neat little building. That's actually kind of cool. Uh-oh. Caught myself a train crash. It's the Gateway N track. Better watch out though, there's a tornado brewing. Look at all the damage. No. How's my new microphone working? Can you hear the wind? Oh, the sound of music playing. We got Fort Cody. We got Old West Town. Sheriff's post office, the bank, the jail, the general store, the hotel. There's the saloon. I could use a drink. What about you? Right afterwards, you go. You go to the hotel. We'll leave it up to your imagination.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, that's hauling out military stuff. Tanks. Supplies. We got the quarry. Train station. Looks like the helicopter's about ready to take off. Look at that. Beachside. This time of year where it starts to get chilly out. Uh-oh, there's a pirate ship. Cool little campground. The Jurassic Park. Oh look, the car's moving. Does it go all the way around? You think it's gonna make the turn? Leave a comment below. Ah, you're too late. That's pretty cool. The helicopter is firing up, ready to go. Ooh, the weather changes fast this time of year. It's the Wilderness Lodge. This guy's circuses is always one of my favorites. It's so cool. It's got the music playing now, that might be a problem. We got the shake 'em up lemonade stand. We got a pizza stand. Wow. Pretty neat stuff. Oh, they got elephant rides. Get the disco ball. A little camper. Van and a circus truck. Want some popcorn and cotton candy? Ooh, super slide. Ice cream must have been a big draw today. They're all out. Oh. Always one of my favorites. Let's go see what else we can find. Look at that. We got McDonald's. We got a railroad museum. And oh, that's the railroad museum right there. Sheridan Inn. Oh, it's Amtrak. You think it'll be on time today? Michelle? That's a pretty neat layout. Oh, we got a Boeing Employees Railroad Club. Don't know if I've seen them yet. It's a scrapyard. They got the kiddie trains out again. Yeah, Pillsbury.
Box cars. The second one stuttered. This is the first one in stuttered.
Okay, a spider ride. That's a pretty cool looking circus. everything you want. Ferris wheel, the swing ride. I almost missed this. Not really sure what's going on there. Can't get close enough. Get myself a farming video here. They're doing something in the field there. I have no idea. We got cows. Looks like some vintage tractors. Texaco gas station. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a tavern. More farming. Loading up with some John Deere. Is that Alice Chambers? Looks like we got a cat.
Cutter restaurant, everything right there. But yeah, walk up the train station.
Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. Bye.